Hey Araya, it looks like you might be a little confused about some of these activities, so I thought I'd make you a quick video tutorial so we can understand them better. Let's go ahead and look at what I have highlighted in yellow. It says read through the Google Slides titled Cell Organelles and Their Functions. So when I go here to Google Classroom and I'm in the Classwork tab, let's go ahead and look at here. It says Cell Organelles and Their Functions, Google Slides, and let's open that up. Now, if you look right here, it says each organelle. It describes what that organelle does, and then it has a picture of that organelle. It says you will match each organelle with the correct picture. Use the slides to find the correct picture. You will cut and paste the pictures of the cell organelles in the picture column below. The pictures can be found in the picture bank at the end of this activity. So let's look at the picture you included here. And then let's look at this. Is this the same picture as what you put right here? No. In fact, I can see the correct picture for cell is right down here. If you look at this picture right here, you'll notice it's the same picture as what you see right here. So you want to go slide to slide and match the picture up with the correct word. That's how you complete activity 1. Now let's look at what it says here in blue for activity 2. Read through the Google Slides titled Cell Organelles and Their Functions. That's the same PowerPoint we were just looking at. Using these slides, fill in the function column. So if you notice, each organelle, it explains what it does right here. A function is kind of like a job. What job does the cell wall provide for the whole cell? What job does the cell membrane do? What job does the cytoplasm do? Those jobs can be described right here. The cell wall's function is that it surrounds the plant cell and maintains the cell shape and structure. So this wall right here helps provide the shape and structure and keep the cell all together. So what you see right here in black, that's exactly what you want to put right here. It says surrounds the plant cell and maintains the cell shape and structure. That's what you want to type in this box right here. And you want to do the same thing for each organelle. Whatever you see right here goes in this box. That's how you do activity 2. Now the final activity, activity 3, says read through the Google Slides titled Cell Organelle Analogies. That's a different PowerPoint, so let's go looking for that one. Cell Organelle Analogies. So I'm going to go ahead and open this one up. Now, if you don't know what an analogy is where you compare two different things. We took each one of these organelles and we compared them to everyday objects that you'd probably know a little bit better. For example, I compared the cell wall to a brick wall. The job of the cell wall is to provide structure and support for the cell. That's exactly what a brick wall does for a building. A brick wall helps provide the shape of the cell. So in activity 3, you want to put a brick wall, which it looks like you did correctly, and that is excellent. The cell membrane is just like a key. It controls what goes in and outside the cell. But if I look right here, you put the picture of the highway. So you want to match each analogy and put the correct picture in the box. And you know what else I want you to do? Right here, it says Cell Organelle Analogies YouTube video. In this video, you're going to hear me go slide by slide and talk about each organelle. This is just like what I would do in class where I'd explain them, and watching this video, Araya, will just help you understand them so much more. So make sure you watch this video and it'll help you out with the analogy activity. Once you've done those things, go ahead, fix your assignment, and then you can resubmit them to me.